It's been almost 2 years since I last changed my case, and today I've got one that solves two of my main problems. Number one, it carries a wallet that you can use to place your cards within the case itself, and second, that wallet is concealed. It's not going to be one of those MagSafe wallets that you can just attach to the back of your case and it holds your cards, but your cards are visible to the rest of the world. Just something that doesn't sit with me. So I've done some digging and I found this case by a company called Vena, which holds a wallet structure to the back of the case itself with the leather cover at the top, which magnetically attaches to the case once your cards are in. So very convenient there. So let's just get right in and see what this looks like. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, it's packed plastic material. Okay, so right off the bat, I notice that the case has got some weight to it. Let's put this to the side. You can see at the back. It's actually not as bad as I thought it's going to be in terms of the form factor. It's not as bulky or as thick as I expected, just because of the fact that it holds this wallet structure within the case itself and it's not like protruding outside. And I'll tell you what, this is probably the heaviest case that I've held, and I've had a few Spigen cases, some other cases from other companies. I'm sure some UAG cases will be heavier than this, but yeah, I love the way it feels in your hands. You can definitely tell this is a quality product, and you can see here there's a bit of a texture which feels very nice, and the company branding right over here. You have your raised camera lip here, so your camera is going to be protected. All your camera bumps go through this structure, not like one of these which leaves it completely open. So I kind of prefer this. Doesn't really make that big of a difference, but I don't know. And you have a bit of a structure here. This is going to help dissipate the fall, so even if you end up dropping your case, it's safe there as well. And let's see the wallet. Okay, so instantly I noticed that all three of these flaps have a magnet in them instead of just the first one having it. So I had to really pull to get it off. So I like the fact that there's a bit of a pull, as you can see. It snaps right into place. So even if I jerk it like this with some force, or if you end up dropping it, your wallet's not gonna just, flip open on its own. I would assume you'd really have to do it with proper force to do that. So that's a big plus, and your cards are not visible to the world right over here. So that's the biggest plus to me. And let's put it onto the phone itself and see what it looks like, what it feels like, and we'll put some cards inside as well just to test it out. So yep, I think I'm gonna change the glass protector that I have as well. It's just because it's been a while and it's got a huge crack, and then I'm gonna clean the phone and change the case so it kind of gives off a new phone vibe. So yeah, let's go and do that now. I'll fast forward that bit just because I think I've done it before. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so with the case on, it's got quite a bit of weight to it. The feel is very robust. It's just the way it curves. It almost reminds me of one of those HTC phones. If you're old enough, you know what I'm talking about. They were some of the most robust phones that have ever been in existence, and you've never needed a case good enough to break someone's head if you drop it. So that's what it kind of feels like. The buttons got a very nice feel to them. There's individual volume buttons as opposed to having a volume rocker. And for an iPhone 13, the toggle switch is still accessible. It's not too deep in. I can get in without even having nails. And this is the raised lip, quite raised, to be honest. It doesn't even feel like it's holding a lot of that wallet bulk. So just open it here. I've heard that the wallet can come off as well if you want to use your yeah, it doesn't seem like it. I want to break this part. So yeah, I think they give you some cards as well, just to try it out. Yeah, just some thank you cards. Let's put these cards inside and see. I feel this is too big. This is gonna fit just right, or not too big as well. Let's try this. Actually, let's use one of these. Perfect fit right here, and you close. Okay, I'm actually a big fan of this. I love the feel, robust. I like some weight to my phone. I know many people don't like it to be heavy, but I do. You know, it feels like a quality product. And the fact that you've got a completely concealed wallet structure holding onto your cards here. Not like one of those MagSafes. I know they're so safe, like they're not gonna drop your cards if you jerk it. You know, some of those Amazon ones definitely do, and I wouldn't trust them, just not at ease. So yeah, I'm actually very happy with the way it feels. I would definitely recommend. And if you want to get your card out, I think you can just slide your finger here, and there's a raised sort of lip here, so your card just kind of, you know, just comes out very easily, and you close it right here. Here's my review for the Vena wallet case with a flip leather covered wallet. If you thought this video was helpful in any way, do leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more. Until next time.